First things first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Now, have you ever wondered who will be the next big superhero to join the Marvel Cinematic Universe? The stage is set and the spotlight is on Geraldine Viswanathan's character, Mel. In the heart of the Marvel Universe, amidst the aftermath of Avengers Endgame, new heroes are emerging. Among them is Geraldine Viswanathan, who first appeared as Valentina Allegra de Fontaine's assistant. Details about her role are sketchy, but her impact was undeniable. Rumors are swirling that Mel might be more than meets the eye. Could she be the enigmatic Songbird? Brian Chapek's hints and a bird pendant offer intriguing clues. It seems Mel is on the verge of a heroic transformation. Viswanathan, in a cryptic interview with BuzzFeed, expressed immense excitement about her character's future. She's ready and willing, hinting at big things to come. As Songbird, she'll bring unique audio abilities to the table, adding depth to the Thunderbolts team. And this is the, misunderstood and underestimated for, Songbird has been a staple in the Thunderbolts. Viswanathan's commitment hints at a long and thrilling journey in the MCU. So what's next for Mel? Only time will tell, Eric. But one thing's for sure, the Marvel Universe it just got a little more interesting. And speaking of interesting, why did the superhero go to therapy? Because she had issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.